I'm going to show you how to make a bonkers bat. You can download my bat template from the blog page of my website. Use some ordinary corrugated card and draw around the bat template using a Sharpie. You can find 4 other fun freebie designs on my blog page. Your cut-out bat should look like this. Next you need some newspaper and some PVA glue. Scrunch up some newspaper and stick it to the cutout to make the bat's body. Now you need to make some paper mache mix. You can find recipes for this on my blog page. Using a blunt knife sculpt the form of the bat's body. Once it's dried, we're going to paint it with some black acrylic paint. Let the paint dry, it should look like this. Now add some decoupage cut out from magazines. Now you can add some final details for a bit of sparkle. And here's your finished bat.